morning guys! So welcome back to my channel, Mercy's Kitchen. So today we will make a salad. Salad natin for today is the Pansit Pansitan, or in English it is called Peperomia Pellucida. Considered as anti-inflammatory, refrigerant, analgesic, and anti-cancer. Sobrang dami niyang benefits. Gawin natin siyang salad. Following ingredients: sugar, salt, pepper, onion, calamansi, and tomato. Okay, so let's just prepare it. Hindi lang natin ang pansit-pansitan. Kailangan talaga hugasan siyang mabuti. Linisin mabuti. Hindi lang natin sa matapos. Okay, so guys, ito na yung ingredients natin. Hiniwa ko na yung sibuyas, kamatis, tinanggalan ko lang ng buto. Yung ating pansit-pansitan, pinitas-pitas ko lang. Okay, and we also have the calamansi juice, sugar, pepper, and salt. So, pagsasama-samahin ko muna itong calamansi, pepper, sugar, and salt. Calamansi guys, nilagyan ko siya ng 3 tablespoon of water. So, paghalo-haluin lang natin sila. The pepper, salt, and sugar. And now, pagsasama-samahin na natin sila. Okay, using this big bowl. Lagay na natin yung ating pansit-pansitan. Kamatis. Sama na natin ang sibuyas. At itong sauce. So, i-post lang natin yung sauce. Haluin lang natin. Magdagdag lang tayo ng red eggs or itlog na pula. Okay guys, so it's done. Tapos na ang ating salad. So this is how it looks. The Pansit Pansitan. Pansit Pansitan salad. Okay. So i-refrigerate lang natin siya for about mga 30 minutes. So ready na siya. Kasi mas masarap siyang kainin ang salad kapag malamig. Okay, magdadagdag lang tayo ng itlog na maalat for garnish. So this is now my Pansit Pansitan salad. Okay, ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!